Hi. Most figure drawings go wrong in the first few strokes. Let me show you how to fix that with one center line and one midway point. Today we're focusing on getting the standing figure right by locking in the proportions early. I'm starting with 3 quick sketches and choosing the one that best helps me show the point. Then we'll place the center line, mark the halfway point at the crotch and build the figure from there, finishing with just one touch of accented contour. All right, let me show you what I'm doing. So here I'm going to show you the pose from 3 different angles. And what we do, use the head as a unit of measure. We get the midway point, which is the crotch, and then we do the shoulders, the angle of the shoulders and the angle of the hips. And we try to figure out where is the weight being born. Which leg is it with? In her case, it's her right leg. It's bearing most of the weight. The other leg is supporting her balance. Now this pose here is exactly opposite to the first pose. The first pose was a front view, and this is the exact opposite back view. Now I'm trying to, understand this pose by doing these quick sketches. And once we understand how it works, the 4th drawing that I'll do later is so much easier. So we get these poses right. We look for the line of action too. That's another important thing. But you can see how her left leg in that second drawing is opposite to the first drawing because it's the back view. Now this 3rd drawing will be a 3/4 back view, and I feel that that's the most interesting one for you to learn from. That it presents a very nice arch of the back, and that's very well, they're all interesting, but that's interesting to me to show you how this business all works. So just once again, you get the head proportion, you get the midway point, the crotch, using that center line, which helps you to understand how the whole pose works, and getting all these proportions, nail them right from the start. Then we don't have any problem with construction, and then later we can, as we build up the figure, we can do much more elegant lines and so forth. But get these structures done first. If you like, it's like a stick figure. It's just very simple. Just look at the head size, get the midway point, and then get the angle of the shoulders and the angle of the hips, and you can take it from there. So I'll leave you watch the film for a while, and I'll come back later and talk about the what I've done. Thank you so much. All right, that's the finished figure. You can see how much easier everything becomes once the centerline is in. The head is used as your unit of measure. The midway point at the crotch is marked, and the shoulder and hip angles are established. So keep practicing those simple checkpoints. They make the whole drawing fall into place. Thanks for drawing with me today, and I'll see you in the next lesson.